Today we are going to perform conversion classifications, and we are going to do it on internal search terms report for Robert Half. So we go through it to custom conversions because it is one of the custom EVAs, and we select this internal search terms, which will get us to this interface here, and we select the time range in this from this button. And for this purpose, let's say we choose the last 53 weeks, which is the last 1 year, and we run the report. And we are going to extract this data. So we click data extract. And for this purpose, we are going to choose the top 500 terms. So we change the settings here. Select the top 500, starting with the first term, click OK, and we have to select the metrics that we are interested in. Click on this one. So let's say for this purpose we are interested in 4 metrics: application completes, submission completes, and we are also going to select visits and instances. And we're going to sort it by, say, instances. Click OK. Next we click next. And you get it to send to email address that you want. Click send. This is what the data extract is going to look like. So basically you have to classify all these terms into major categories, and again we have to sort out the data. In this instance I choose to sort it by visits from the largest to smallest. And let's say that for the sake of convenience, these are the major categories that I want to classify these internal search terms by. So what I have to do is basically open up a new sheet and paste them into a new sheet, and I'm going to create a second column called keyword category, and basically assign each of these keywords to the categories that I've decided on earlier. And when I'm done, this is what it basically going to look like. Next, to classify these categories, we have to create the category that we have just created here. So all we have to do is go to the admin section and go to report suite, and then select the report suite that you want, which is in this case the production report suite, and then click edit settings, go to conversion and conversion classifications, click on it. And then you have to select the classification type that you want, which is, in our case, is the internal search terms. And here we select create a new classifications. So click add classifications, and going back here we only want to classify it according to one category, which is keyword category. So you type keyword category, and save it. And this is what it looks like. It confirms that the new keyword category has been inserted into the classification that we want. Then we go to Same classifications, download template, and the data set again is the internal search terms, and it's in the production report suite. And just leave this in default, and you click download, and then save it. And this is the template that we're going to use to insert the keyword and the allocated specifications. So go back to the sheet here, copy and paste all the keyword and its classifications, put it here, and note though that we have to save it as a tab file. Once we have saved it, we have to import it into the system. So click import file, then select internal search terms, again in the production report suite, and you choose the file which you want to upload. This one here, and you check automatically download the same file after the import is complete, just to confirm that all the classifications import went through smoothly. Import it. And this confirms that all of the terms have been successfully uploaded. And just as a final check, we go back to Site Catalyst, go to custom conversion again to look for the internal search terms, and now you can see that there is a additional sub menu which is the keyword category, because we have already imported the classifications. And now you can see that the classification has come through, because all of the data which is originally the individual search terms have been classified according to the main categories that we have specified in the first place. So it's all done.